Hello, YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. We're still with Super Affiliate Network and how to earn online while making money earning. We're still with Bootcamp 6, and now we're on number 9. And yes, I will be continually quoting what my coach Misha Wilson is saying and has taught me. And for the make money slides, if they want to charge you an upfront fee, they're scammers. So move on to the next one. Okay? All right. Now we're starting first with the Super Affiliate Network. So let's get right into this one. Go through all of the bootcamp training, use my system, and apply everything that you'll learn for a full 365 days. And if you haven't made at least double your money back on your initial investment in the Pro package and still don't understand how you can systematically repeat the process over and over and over again, send us a support ticket requesting a refund, and I'll give you all of your money back. Let you keep all of the additional information products you get access to as a Pro member, and send you $1,000 just for wasting your time. Now, I think that's awesome. That's how much I believe in the power of the Pro membership, and know for a fact that it can change your life. To review, here's what you'll get when you say yes today. License rights to promote and earn big commissions on my suite of irresistible offers and value-driven product line. That real world value is $4,997. And again, that's not how much this program costs. That's just the value of the license rights to promote. The next one is a suite of done-for-you A through Z sales funnels to promote a done-for-you automation for marketing and fulfillment. That real world value is $4,997. Instant positioning to earn big $1,000 plus commissions. Real world value $4,997. The Sand Pro Inner Circle Mastermind. Real world value $1,997. Monthly emerging coaching with myself or my multi-million-dollar team. That real world value is $997. Lifetime weekly coaching with my senior head coaches or SAND top earners. Real world value $997. Access to 5 of my best information products to study and to sell as your own. Actually, I'll sell them for you. That real world value is priceless. A done-for-you phone sales team to call back all of your leads and close them for you into big $1,000 and potentially $2,000, $3,500, and even $5,500 commissions. That real world value is $9,997. Personal coaching for all of your members. You bring it to the Super Affiliate Network. You'll earn 20% of all of their sales, and my coaches will get them producing. That real world value is $9,997. Your own Super Affiliate Army built and trained by my professional coaches for you. Real world value is $9,997. Bonus 1, access to the Super Affiliate Agency, exclusive traffic co-op. Real world value $1,997. Bonus 2, done for you ad templates and swipe copy. Real world value $1,997. Bonus 3, 100% commissions on all future front end offers and access to all of my future information products. Real world value $1,997. Bonus 4, ongoing one-on-one coaching from one of our senior head coaches. Real world value $4,997. Bonus 5, the A through Z toolkit, $497. Bonus 6, my 365-day better than money back guarantee is priceless. A total real world value of $66,961. And that's only a small fraction of what I've invested to get this system operating the way it now does, which means that it's actually a very modest claim of value. I mean, after all, can you put an actual price tag on freedom? On not having to sit in rush hour traffic on a daily basis to get to a job that you absolutely hate, or having extra time with your friends and family that you'll never get back? I'd argue that freedom, both financially and time bombs, is worth much, much more than $6,900. Now we're with the make money slides. First one is give your opinion to make $100 plus every month. And it's called Survey Junkies. clean look, and cash out will keep you motivated to take as many surveys as you want. They're relatively quick to complete and reward you with points. Once you earn 1,000 points or $10, you can cash out for gift cards or cash paid via PayPal. Another survey site we love is called Inbox Dollars. It offers several short daily surveys you can take. If you take all of them each day, you can earn an extra $730 a year. Not too bad, right? Next one is collect points for gift cards through Drop. We got a secret. There is a new rewards platform on the market. Drop is a financial tech company that automatically rewards you for your purchases. As an exclusive Drop user, all you have to do is link your credit and debit cards. When you make a Drop qualified purchase, you'll automatically earn points, whether you're grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, hailing an Uber, or ordering a pizza. The points will add up. And you can then exchange them for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon and Starbucks. It's the ultimate loyalty card without the card. Next is invest in real estate. You don't have to be rich. Want to try real estate investing without playing landlord? We found a company that helps you do just that. Oh, and you don't have to have hundreds of thousands of dollars either. You can get started with a minimum investment of just $500. A company called Fundrise does all of the heavy lifting for you. Through the Fundrise Starter Portfolio, your money will be split into 2 portfolios that support private real estate around the United States. This isn't an obscure investment, though. You can see exactly which properties are included in your portfolios, like a set of townhomes in Snoqualmie, Washington, or an apartment building in Charlotte, North Carolina. You can earn money through quarterly dividend payments and potential appreciation in the value of your shares, just like a stock. Cash flow typically comes from interest payments and property income, e.g. rent. But remember, investments come with a risk. While Fundrise has paid distributions every quarter since at least the second quarter in 2016, dividend and principal payments are never guaranteed. You will pay a 0.85% annual asset management fee and a 0.15% annual investment advisory fee. Yes, we're through with this video. Please click or copy the link above. When you copy, open it up in a new browser and learn all about the Super Affiliate Network and how you can get started for just $1. And then I need you to please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Please do that for me. And thanks again for stopping by. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.